Chinese adopted a system that suits their tradition and maintain their national pride. The Chinese are very, very proud people. They are proud of their inheritance, tradition, history. And this is ingrained in every Chinese. The Chinese people are very, very much aware of their inheritance, and they want to continue in the modern day to build that kind of nation that will be equal or better than any nation on earth. Because they have created a system that tells them what the majority of their people want. And therefore CPC represents the sum total of the aspiration of the Chinese people. Any person who arrives in China the first time, particularly in these days after China's emergence, will be totally overwhelmed by what you see. Particularly, I remember my journey from the airport to my residence. I never imagined what I saw in Beijing, particularly the infrastructural development. But when I arrived in China physically, then the whole perception of China changed. This is something that I've always advocated, not only in Nigeria. All other countries who's having the same background like ours should now reach out to find out or to study, send down their planners to go and work with those in China to study and find out how best suited it is. What we want is to create a social system in our country that will be beneficial to our people. And if any country can copy that sort of system, regardless of whatever name you give it, then we can be able to achieve a lot as China has achieved.